Welcome back to my channel. So right now you're looking at some pre-recorded footage from a few months ago. As we all know, my laptop did break. If you guys didn't watch my vlog video I uploaded a few days ago, make sure you watch that. I kind of explained why I've been absent from YouTube. But however, I did basically promise these videos to companies that I work with. So that's why all of these videos are being posted at one time. I'm not trying to bombard you guys with strictly hair videos, but you know, I got to get my coin. So, you know, it is what it is. So right here, I'm just blow drying my part in place. And it's crazy because I didn't even end up making this wig a side part anyways, because it just did not look right. I switched it to a middle part when I finally put it on. But before we get into that, I did not like the ends of the hair on these bundles because they were just too thin for my liking while the hair was blow dried. And when the hair is blow dried, you can consider that to be the fullest extent of the hair because it's just fuller than when it's straightened. And if I can see through the ends when the hair is blow dried, I just knew that I didn't want no parts of it. So I just went ahead and chop and made this into a long bob, which I was kind of eyeing for a very long time. But originally I did want to wear this hair as long as the length came, but I'm just not an advocate for thin ends, so I just had to let that go. So right here, it looks nice and good. I'm about to get ready to straighten it, and the straightener I'm going to be using is the red silicone protection flat iron. I've had that flat iron for a good 4 years now, and it gets the job done every single time. And aside from the fact that I don't really care about the ends of the hair, this hair really did straighten very nicely. As you can see, I don't have to go over and over the hair multiple times. As long as you do the chase method, which I feel everybody should do when they're straightening any hair, natural or weave, you will get nice results. And I'm also using my flat iron on 450 degrees, which is also another reason why it is getting so straight. But aside from that, I did not put any products in the hair, and I actually did not wash the bundles. The only part of the hair that I washed was the closure when I bleached the knots. And I didn't talk about it in the actual review video that you guys are going to see at the end of this video, but for some reason I really did not like the closure on this wig. For some reason it just, I don't know if it was too bulky. Either way it goes, it still does look good on camera, but when I first started wearing the wig, I just made note that I didn't really care for the closure. It just felt kind of bulky to me, in my opinion. But like you guys are seeing right now, the hair is straightening very nicely, and I didn't add any products into the bundle. So this is just the natural shine of the hair. So I'm just going to be doing this for the next 3 minutes of this video sped up, and you guys are going to see me talking. So see ya. Might as well just sit back with the Henny, 'cause that's the only thing that keep a nigga friendly. If you bring the peace, I'll raise too. If you loving me, I love you. Baby, it's me and you. Let's never fight. I'm sorry, I can make it right, but I love you. Don't ignore me. Am I getting through? I bet you think the song is about you. Don't you? Don't you? Yeah. Just some shit that's been on my mind for a minute, but baby, I need you right back in the champagne thoughts too. The champagne thoughts to you, you know. Help me sing it.
trying to grow, all this love that I try to show, all this bud that I'm about to smoke. Yeah, yeah, it's so hard trying to maintain this shit. So hard trying to live through this shit. I might as well just take the K, knock them thoughts right off of my face. The champagne got me thinking real hard of all the things we done took it this far. I might as well just sit back with the Henny, cause that's the only thing that keep a nigga friendly. If you bring the peace, I raise too. If you loving me, I love you. Baby, it's me and you. Let's never fight. I'm sorry, I can make it right, but I love you. Don't ignore me. Am I getting through? I bet you think the song is about you. Don't you? Don't you? Yeah. Just some shit that's been on my mind for a minute, but baby, I need you right back in the champagne thoughts too. The champagne thoughts to you, you know. Help me sing it.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today's video, of course, is going to be another hair review. So I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen the beginning part of this video where I showed you guys how I basically styled this wig. Well, not fully styled, but you know, cutting the hair. So this hair company is actually named Lumiere Hair Company. Let me confirm that. Okay, so the name of this company is called Lumiere My Hair. Of course, I'm going to leave it in the description box below for those who don't know how to spell Lumiere, because it is kind of a tricky word. But the hair that I have in is, I believe it's Brazilian body wave. I actually did not choose the texture. I didn't choose the lengths. The company just kind of sent me, you know, what they wanted to promote. So I was sent 3 bundles of 18, 20, and 22 with a 18-inch lace closure. But as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I chopped a lot of the hair off and made it into a very long bob. It's like right here on my boobies. So I decided to cut the hair for 2 reasons. The first reason was I just kind of didn't want super long hair, and then again, working with 3 bundles sometimes it's kind of like, I like my hair to be super full if I'm gonna wear it long. And then the second thing was that the ends of this hair were not full. They actually didn't it didn't actually please me at all to see how thin that the ends were. So I cut the hair. This is like what, a 16, 14, 16, 18, I don't really know, but it's a lot shorter than how it was when I first received the hair. I used 3 bundles, and I actually ended up running out of the 3 bundles while making the wig. I had to use some extra hair that I had left over to fill in the gaps in my wig. I didn't have to use a whole lot, but I had to do at least like 3 rolls with, you know, some other hair to fill in the space. But the bundles were full, don't get me wrong, they were full, but maybe it was my spacing when I was doing my wig, because I saw how thin the ends felt. Like, you can tell, like, when the hair is in a bundle form, and I wish I would have, you know, showed you guys how the hair looked while it was in bundle form. It was full. It was like that body wave texture, and then it was full at the top, and then when you got down to the bottom, it was kind of thinning out. So I was like, yeah, I can already see what I'm about to do with this. So I cut it, and it's a lot fuller. Clearly, you can't see through the ends or anything like that, and it's flowy. One thing I can say about this hair is that it's shiny, and it's a nice shine. It's not like a superficial, like a superficial, unnatural type of shine, but it does have. Okay, as I was just saying, the hair has a nice shine to it. It's not too shiny, and then it's not dull, so that's a good thing. I have been experiencing some shedding with this hair. Of course, I had to cut a few tracks from the other hair company, so I'm not really sure if that's that shedding or what. But besides that, I've also been experiencing some snags in the nape of my neck, and of course it's not happening right now, but like when I'm in a car, I'm driving and it's hot and I get a little bit of sweat in the back of my neck, yeah, it kind of does tangle in the back of my neck. But besides that, I think the hair is okay. I would probably rate it, out of a 10, I would rate it like a 7.5. It's okay. You know, it's affordable for those who are looking to purchase hair but not break the bank while purchasing hair at the same time. And I would just recommend it, like, I would recommend shorter lengths, you know what I'm saying? Because I noticed that the shortest length that I have, the 18-inch bundle, it wasn't so thinned out towards the ends. And like I said, I'm a huge advocate for having very full hair. I don't like hair that's like see-through at the ends, that's too wispy at the ends, anything like that. So definitely take caution when purchasing this hair if you're going to be going for longer lengths, unless you want to buy like more than 3 bundles and you're going to be doing some serious layering to this hair. But yeah, it just wasn't working for me in the full 22-inch length, so I just decided to cut it. And I'm actually very pleased with how I cut it. I used some shears. I got them from my dad. They actually are kind of dull, but they got the job done. It's even, you know what I'm saying? It's definitely even. But this is the hair. Like I said, the name of the company is called Lumiere My Hair. I will leave it in the description box below, as well as the specs to this hair and the links for those that are interested. And is there anything else? It's not anything else, but that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of me showing you guys my new wig. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.